if you are not receiving the verification code to your email from the Mobile of Legends game, then in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Now, to fix this problem, just follow these steps very carefully. Now, the first step you need to do is make sure you're entering the correct email. 90% of the times, you will not be receiving the verification code if you're entering the wrong email. So make sure you're entering the correct email. Double check your email before requesting for the verification code. Another thing you need to do is try switching the first letter of your email to uppercase or lowercase and check if it works. Try switching the first letter of your email to uppercase or lowercase and check if it works. Another thing you need to do is check your spam folder. So try to go to your Gmail or any other email provider and check your spam folder. The verification code sometimes can go to your spam folder. Another thing you need to do, just follow this instruction very carefully. In case you're still facing the same issue, try requesting for a verification code after some time, as sometimes it can take a while to deliver verification code due to network issues or a problem on game server side. So in case you're still facing the same issue, try requesting for a verification code after some time. So try to wait probably up to 4 to 6 hours and you try to request again, as sometimes it can take a while to deliver verification code due to network issues or a problem on game server side. If neither works, then contact customer support, and you can contact their support using this video which I'm going to show you right now. Now, to contact Mobile Legends support, if you're not receiving the verification code, just select the customer support icon here as indicated by the arrow. After selecting this icon, then the new page will open. Now on this page here, just choose account recovery. After selecting account recovery, then select again form account retrieval. So just select account recovery, then select form account retrieval, and another page will open and you can fill your account details. Here you'll fill account ID and the server. The server is the country where you are located. So choose the country where you are located, and account ID, you will fill your account ID as indicated on your profile. After that, you can select next and submit this form, and the customer support will help you retrieve your account. It can help you solve the problem for not receiving the verification codes.